Please and please do not be an instrument of all these bad people, because now the thing go affect pass. Alright, so as you all know, because of the heat of what is going on in Rivers State, there have been some burst of pipeline explosion here and there. Now, I have my suspicions as to the people that are responsible for these things. Suspicions. But then again, I just feel the need to say this to all our youth in the Niger Delta region. I know because of what is going on, some of you want Fubara to still be there. Some of you want Wike. You know, the politics, the tension is very high. And some of you will want to make a statement. Please, I want you all to understand that whatever you do, don't take your mind towards busting of pipelines, because now the thing go affect pass. All these politicians they say, okay, yes, I won't scare. They no go feel them because they don't stack money, they don't save money. For now know how many years Niger Delta suffer this issue of busting of pipelines. But please and please do not be an instrument of all these bad people to go the bust pipeline. That being said, I still don't suspect Niger Delta youth of busting. All this one where happened recently, I still suspect them. I feel like they needed something to happen so that they'll feel rush River State. May they declare this their state of emergency. Need I remind you, that oil from that place, now in the survival of us for this country. Nigeria no get any other thing where they give them money. And this is another reason why they cannot welcome technology. They cannot welcome all these they cannot welcome all these electric cars and all that, because the oil money too big. So why did they say you won't make statement to politicians? It will also affect us, and now we be the ants in the scheme of things. So unless we unite as ants, we no go fit do anything.